What's up guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while, but today we're going to be doing a slime video, but I have two bowls. So here I'm with my special guest, Kaitlyn Wolf, from the channel Kaitlyn Wolf, and we're doing a collaboration. Her channel will be linked down in the description below, and we're going to be doing another video on my channel, so go check it out and stay tuned. Description below. So all we have today is our bowls and our spoons and a ton of accessories. And I'm too lazy to go get the accessories, because there's like 3 boxes of accessories. And I'm too lazy to do the coloring, so I'm just gonna have to stick with this for now. Oh well. And I'm sorry our camera angle's weird, and we have this, it's in the back, it's flooring. Today we're not in my bedroom, we are in the laundry room. What are you doing? Yeah. Okay, so here we go, and today we're going to be using Amazon Basics glue. It works just the same, and this is a tutorial / like making videos. So here we go. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour in glue enough to fill the bottom. Okay. Transform. Yeah. Ooh. I love that glue. Okay, and we're just gonna cap it. And I got this Amazon Basic glue on Amazon, as you can
It smells good.
tell. I'm sorry that this angle is bad. Like I said,
I'm not even in the frame.
Ew. Here, come on in. Okay, so here's our bowls as of right now. Just glue. We're gonna mix it up to help the activating process, just to get every bubble out and not create more. Hopefully not try to create more. Sometimes they do. Sometimes it doubles in size. That's not a bad thing. We're having trouble because we don't have my normal setup, but I'm sorry. Let's just keep mixing this up to make sure all the ingredients are out. No. Okay. Can you scoop a little bit? I'm sorry, my bowl is just like a tiny much bigger than her. So she's probably gonna go on her lap.
I'm making a tiny slime.
Okay.
Yeah, like half the bowl.
No, I don't. So now that all of our ear bubbles are out, we're gonna be using baking soda
And
contact solution or BioTrue. And we got this baking soda just at like a regular store, and we got the BioTrue at Walmart. So
my bowl's not even staying steady.
So we're gonna be adding some baking soda, and how I don't add,
sprinkle it on.
if I get too much, it'll over-activate the slime, because this doesn't just activate it. Here, I'll get it for you. And the good reason for having it in your hand is so you can mix it up and kind of sift through and get out all of the big chunks, because the big chunks will make your slime very like chunky and gross. So now I'm just gonna sprinkle it all around.
And also baking soda is great for baking.
We're gonna get that all in the bowl. As you can see, it's just sprinkled all over. You can't really see because it matches the same color
Then I stir it up.
as the glue. But I don't stir it up because it activates a lot quicker if you put the BioTrue and the baking soda in. So I'm just gonna add some of this.
I stir it up so it gets all over.
Not too much, not too little.
I just add like a little at a time because that's how you're supposed to do an activator.
So
And it's already working.
I added in some, and mine's
Super
already
easy.
working.
Mine's already getting thicker. And as you can't tell, I'm on my lap because
This table is not really working out.
it's
but
not even a table.
I can move to the center. So my slime, I'm a really like hands-on slime maker.
Mine's like still really good.
So I'm just gonna take out
I'm gonna add
my
more.
spoon, set it up to the
I'm
side.
adding just a tiny bit more compact solution.
And kind of just add as we need more. So we're just gonna keep adding and adding and adding. Can you add some to mine?
Yeah.
Because mine's like in the between stage, which is normal
Yep.
for having slime and having water. So I'm just kind of kneading in, and I know on YouTube some people say kneading, some people
Here.
say just
Once more.
mixing it up. Sure. Some people just say they're mixing it up, but when I knead it and I'm still making it, I just kind of wrap it around my hands, pull it, stretch it.
That's how you do it. Like you're kneading dough. That's what some people call it.
Kind of like cookie dough or bread dough. And Kaitlyn,
Where is the context person?
I can't
Well, be back in a minute.
here.
Thank you.
Here you go. And Kaitlyn Wolf, do you want to tell them something about your channel?
I don't know.
What's on your channel?
Well, we did a series of Christina vlogs, which will not be coming out this summer, because might come out next summer, but I'm not sure. We might do like a season 2, which they're hilarious. Go check them out. Yeah,
And-
I got peanut butter. If you see in one vlog.
And you can see that on Kaitlyn Wolf's channel, which is linked down in the description below for slime videos, doll videos,
Etc.
etc. And if you're coming from Kaitlyn Wolf's channel, hello, welcome to the video. And right now we're going to be doing a 5-second like challenge. We're going to see if you can like this video within 5 seconds. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. If you did that, comment down below.
You can't even see but like this.
And I think we're gonna start doing the question of the day for all of my videos.
No.
So for today's question, the question is, if you're gonna make slime, do you add add-ins or do you leave it?
I leave it. Look at this. It's beautiful. What is that sound?
It's my, oh, that's the dishwasher. I'm sorry if you guys can't really hear us, but my dishwasher's going and I've tried to shut it off.
It won't shut off.
No, and I even like opened it and manually shut it off a few times. But here's my complete slime.
Mine's not done yet. It's still super.
It's not huge, it's not tiny,
Mine's not tiny.
but here's my slime. And after we make the collaboration on Kaitlyn Wolf's video, we may do a Q&A, like who knows me better,
Oh no.
and that may be a collaboration.
I have
also.
no clue. I don't even know you.
Yes, you do.
Don't really.
We don't go to the same school. But I'm not. But we cannot tell you what school we go to. But it's winter time right here, and otherwise my mom only lets me make slime outside, and I do not know if I have any videos of me making slime outside.
This
But-
is snow slime. I'm calling this snow slime.
yeah, and stay tuned. But today we're just going to be making a regular old white slime, and we're just going to give you some tips
Louise.
of how, when Kaitlyn is done, on how to fix your slimes if they're goopy or watery or anything like
Which
that.
mine is.
Are you done?
Almost.
Okay, well,
Still sticky.
one way, if your slime is like when you stretch it, if it seeps water, a good thing to do is go to your local Dollar Tree, buy some Barbasol shaving cream, some baby lotion, and add water, and a little bit of each of those things until it becomes slime.
Alright, people, I'm done.
And now we're gonna show our slimes, and we're gonna do a poke test.
Oh my god.
Okay, are you ready for the poke test?
No. It's so sticky.
Do you need my help? I'm sorry for going on. With the power of editing, I'll either speed this up or you guys will hear some music. So, or you may be hearing music this whole time, but I don't know. So, do you need my help?
Yes, I know.
Here. Will you hand me your slime?
Take it. Give me this one.
No, don't touch my slime with your slime on your hands. Okay. Oh, this is my spoon. That's not my spoon. Okay. Your slime's not bad. I think it just needs, okay, it's really sticky.
Mm-hmm.
The bad thing is with some slimes, if you do not add enough of something or if you add too much of something, your slime could go really bad. So I'm pretty much just gonna need Kaitlyn's slime. And already look at how good it is now. And here's your slime now. Okay, so now we're gonna do a poke test. You may not be able to hear it, but I'll show you guys. Your turn, Kaitlyn. And we both use the exact same recipe, so there's no cheating.
And get it off of me.
And I'll do this.
On my channel, it might actually do a different slime challenge. Or a blindfold slime challenge. Alright, ready? Fire. Fire your slimes.
If you want to see a blindfolded slime challenge, it'll be able to be posted if we get to
A million likes.
no, if we get a lot of comments. Okay, so there's our poke test. Now we're just gonna do a little stretch test. And now we're just gonna do a sticky test. So we're gonna put our hand flat on it.
Oh no.
Your turn, Kaitlyn Wolf.
Oh
Mine stuck a little bit, but then when you put it back down, does it go off? Good, so we both made successful slimes this time. And that's off. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe down below and like this video. And it would mean so much to our little family if you would like and subscribe
no. To my channel.
and to my channel. So, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and share this video.
Bye.
Goodbye.